it's another Vlogmas day and it's day 5. Thanks to all who have been watching since day 1. So today's day 5 Vlogmas episode will be an unboxing, or should I say an unpacking of my health product. Yes. Actually have an app where I process my orders and also share my customized link so that people can click that link and avail of a discount. Yes, and I will put that down on the description. Yay! So let's start unpacking. Itong product na to, gusto ko siya kasi nakakatulong sa yung pagtunaw ng pagkain. I also ordered tatlo nito para makatipid, makamura. This one is for the heart. Nakakatulong siya sa akin. I feel better. Yan. And this is the way I take care of my heart. So I got 3 of them. Mas nakamura ako. This product, hindi ko to binili. Every month, merong free product of the month at ito yun ngayon. This one is actually my favorite. Sobrang ganda and it's very affordable. Itong isang bottle na to is already 180 capsules. And nakita ko na napakalakas niya maka-blooming. And these are the free products I had for redemption. Ito yung mga ni-redeem ko. Yung first is itong moisture cream. This is made in Korea. And ito naman yung liver clear. Isip ko, yung liver, tumutulong siya sa metabolism ng body. Baka kailangan namin na alagaan yung liver namin. Para yung liver, alagaan din kami, di ba? And this one, I don't know. It's really a plus to stay looking younger, di ba? Kaya I have collagen. Maganda silang partner. This is antioxidant drink. Yan. Okay, so ito lahat. I am actually a 4Life affiliate. And if you are interested in 4Life products, you can visit their website. And if you would want to get these products at a discount, use the discount link of a member. And I will share my link in the description down below. So you have also the opportunity to take a look at the products and also buy the products at a discounted price. If you are looking for a special gift for your loved ones this Christmas, you can give them a gift. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and I will be seeing you in my Vlogmas Day 6. Bye!